Dear parents, my name is Colonel Amardeep and I am going to brief you about the RIMC preparatory course that we are going to start from 1st of July. The RIMC 2 exam is scheduled in December 2021 and we have about 6 months to prepare the candidates for the exam. So what we have done is we are starting with our preparatory course from 1st of July 2021. The duration of this course is 5 months. It will be conducted from Monday to Saturday and 2 to 3 classes will be conducted every day depending on the comfort level of the students. And the course has been divided into clear parts. In the part 1, that is from July to October, we will cover the entire syllabus in a deliberate manner. And in part 2, just before the exam, we will expose the candidates to a 45 days crash course in which the entire syllabus will be revised once more. Now the classes will be conducted on the Winning Edge mobile application. Once you subscribe, we'll brief you deliberately about the mobile application, but the application permits all the recorded classes to be available to the students throughout the course. The study material will be uploaded on the mobile application, advanced notification, entire set of documentation instruction can be uploaded on the mobile application. Right now we have the RIMC crash course running. We have the RIMC preparatory batch demo classes running. In case a parent is interested, in case a student is interested, he or she can contact us and we will give them an exposure to the conduct of classes on the mobile application. During the course, we'll have the weekly doubt clearing classes. We'll have monthly parent-teacher meeting. Not one, many more, because we understand that in the online mode of coaching, the parents and the instructors have to be on the same page to enable the candidate to succeed. Please get in touch with us. Our office is at Dehradun. If you happen to be in Dehradun, partial lockdown has been lifted, so parents can certainly visit us in our office from Monday to Friday. Otherwise, please contact me on the number shown on the screen. My number is 7999 356 350. You just ping me on this number or my official number 82799 08864 and we will send you the joining instructions. We'll send you the link for joining and also the link for joining the demo classes. So RIMC preparatory course 5 months starting from 1st of July. In case your ward is preparing for the Rashtriya Indian Military College, then this is the exam to be taken. This is the course to be subscribed to. Thank you and Jai Hind.